Today, I am reviewing the Lenovo ThinkPad E16 laptop. If at any time you'd like to explore this laptop for yourself, be sure to check the link in the description. Let's start with the heart of this laptop, the AMD Ryzen 7 7735HS processor. This is an 8-core, 16-thread powerhouse clocked between 3.2 to 4.75 GHz, making it perfect for multitasking, complex workflows, and demanding applications. In fact, it even outperforms many of the Intel i7 series processors, giving you superior speed whether you're running spreadsheets, video conferencing, or creative software. Paired with a whopping 64 GB of DDR5 RAM, the ThinkPad E16 Gen 2 is an absolute multitasking beast. This means you can have dozens of browser tabs open, run virtual machines, or work on high-res media files without slowing down. It's the kind of memory capacity usually reserved for high-end desktops, yet Lenovo packs it into this portable design, making your workflow seamless. Storage is equally impressive, with a massive 2TB PCIe NVMe SSD on board. This gives you lightning-fast boot times and rapid file access. Whether you're loading large files or launching apps, everything feels responsive and fluid. Plus, 2 TB means ample room for all your essential work files, media, and backups. The 16-inch display offers a WUXGA resolution of 1920 by 1200 pixels, which is slightly taller than the standard 1080p and excellent for viewing more content vertically, perfect for spreadsheets and documents. The anti-glare IPS panel with 300 nits brightness and 45% NTSC color coverage provides sharp visuals and comfortable viewing, even during long hours at your desk or in different lighting conditions. Security is another strong point for this ThinkPad. It includes a TPM 2.0 chip for hardware-based encryption, a fingerprint reader embedded in the power button for quick and secure login, and a physical privacy shutter for the 1080p webcam, ideal for keeping your video calls private when not in use. The Kensington Nano Security slot lets you add a cable lock for extra physical protection, which is great for busy office environments or co-working spaces. Connectivity options are robust and modern. You get Wi-Fi 6E and Bluetooth 5.3 for fast, reliable wireless connections, plus a generous selection of ports. 2 USB-C ports support DisplayPort 1.4 and power delivery, letting you connect multiple monitors or charge your laptop quickly. There are also 2 USB-A ports with different speeds, an HDMI 2.1 port capable of 4K output at 60 Hz, a headphone jack, and even an Ethernet port for wired network stability. The keyboard itself is a classic ThinkPad experience, tactile, comfortable, and backlit for low-light conditions. The lift hinge design slightly tilts the keyboard for ergonomic typing, which reduces strain during long working sessions. Audio is enhanced with HD speakers, ensuring clear sound for video calls and media playback. Lastly, the laptop ships with Windows 11 Pro, which is tailored for business users with advanced security features and productivity tools built in. Lenovo also includes their AZXUT cable for convenience. In conclusion, the Lenovo ThinkPad E16 G2 is a fantastic choice for professionals who need a powerful, reliable, and secure laptop without sacrificing portability. It offers desktop-level performance in a sleek 16-inch chassis, excellent display quality, and premium business features that keep your data safe and your workflow smooth. Whether you're in the office, working remotely, or traveling, this laptop is built to keep up with your demanding schedule. If you're interested in upgrading your work setup with the Lenovo ThinkPad E16 Gen 2, check the link in the description below for the best deals.